I am just sand, countless grains, unnoticed stepped in, blown by the wind. But one day, I held greatness. He walked on me, Prophet Muhammad, the one whose footsteps shook the heavens with mercy. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I remember the warmth of his feet, soft but firm, like a man who knew his path even when the world rejected him. I heard his words, words that soften the hearts harder than stone. Spread peace, speak good, walk humbly. He didn't just say them, he lived them. Every step echoing compassion. When they threw stones, he didn't curse, he prayed. And I soaked up his blood. Ashamed, I could not protect him. I still carry the trace of that pain, but I also held his tears. When he cried to his Lord in the quiet of the night, tears that carried the weight of his ummah, including you, yes you. I am just sand, but for a moment I carried the feet of the most beloved to Allah. And now I wait for the day I can testify. Yes, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam walked here, and he prayed, and he cried for you. Even the earth remembers him, shouldn't we?